Today, I'll guide you through how to make another Instagram account on one device. If you find this information useful, please consider hitting that subscribe button below and liking this video. So today we're going to start on your Instagram homepage. At the top, there'll be 3 lines. We're going to press on that. This will take you to your settings. We will then go all the way down to the bottom where it says add account. Now when we add account, we'll come up with 2 options for login to existing account, or we're going to create a new account. But for today, we're going to create a new account. So as you can see, I've put in how to guide. We're going to just choose how to guide 521, as I've already got how to guide 2025. We're going to enter in our password. Now we can complete our sign up. From here, we have a brand new account, and we can now switch from 2 accounts in the one device. And if you want to do that, you just press and hold down the profile picture in the bottom right hand corner, and it will come up with all of your Instagram accounts.